Welcome to meditation. Do modern life often leave you feeling overwhelmed, stressed, and truly anxious? Pressures from your work, daily relationships, or personal expectations can sometimes weigh incredibly heavy upon your shoulders. Today, we will gently come together and release these burdens, finding the deep, calm wellspring of peace residing within this guided meditation for stress relief, like a most refreshing, cool breeze, beautifully soothes away all your worries and any lingering sadness. I once felt truly lost in a constant spiral of anxiety, but meditation helped me gently find my way back to inner stillness. Now, find a truly comfortable spot for yourself, perhaps on your favorite cozy chair, or relaxing gently upon a soft mat. Softly close your eyes. Completely relax your entire body, feeling gravity gently pulling you down, grounding you deeply. Inhale deeply, feeling your breath fill your entire chest like a peaceful wave, beautifully spreading through your being. Exhale slowly, imagining all your tension, all your anxiety effortlessly escaping with your breath, dissolving into the air. Repeat this calm, steady rhythm. Each breath is a moment of letting go, a beautiful, quiet liberation. Visualize yourself standing quietly under a clear, cascading waterfall. Its gentle water washing away all your lingering stress. Each cool, refreshing drop lovingly cleanses negative thoughts, returning pure clarity and calm to your peaceful mind. If you are beginning to feel lighter, please comment peace below and share this serene moment with us. Now, gently bring your focused attention to your heart, where your profound inner peace always quietly exists. Imagine your heart is a perfectly tranquil, still lake with not a single ripple disrupting its calm surface. A gentle, warm light from deep within your heart is softly radiating outwards, gracefully filling every single space. Feel the incredible warmth, the profound peace spreading from your heart to every single cell in your body. Nothing can truly disturb this deep stillness. You are the peaceful owner of your profound inner calm. Peaceful energy brightly awakens within you, like the full moon serenely shining upon a quiet night lake. You feel incredibly light, utterly serene, like a delicate, dry leaf gently carried away by the soft wind. Compassion and unconditional love now effortlessly flow, not only for yourself, but for everyone around you. You realize peace isn't absence of storms, but the calm ability to gracefully sail through them with ease, Practicing daily stress relief meditation will truly help you consistently maintain this beautiful, tranquil state. Life's many challenges will no longer cause you to lose your precious, balanced inner core. You will respond to every single situation with remarkable calmness and clear, insightful wisdom. This is the key to building a truly meaningful life. One not controlled by anxiety or fear. You will feel more deeply connected to your authentic self and the vast world around you. Are you ready to truly welcome deep peace and profound stillness into your precious life? Carry this profound peace into every moment, from the smallest tasks to your most important decisions. Thank you for walking with us in this beautiful garden of peace here at Meditation. We support your journey to ultimate freedom and well-being. Please like, subscribe, and share for more peace. Also, comment something you're grateful for today below. We'd truly love to hear your journey.